Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya guys. Now as you guys can see in this video, you guys will be learning on how to find the volume of triangular prisms. Alright, now let's get to it. Alright guys, so volume of triangular prisms can be done in just two steps. Alright, so what we're going to do is we'll be finding the area of the triangle and multiplying it with the length of the prism. Alright, so step number one, let's go ahead and find the area of triangle. Alright, so area of triangle. So how would we find the area of the triangle, boys and girls? We'll take the base, multiply with its height and divide it by 2, right guys? Base multiplied by height divided by 2. Now the base of this triangle is 24 meter, multiplied with the height of the triangle is 7 meter, divided by 2, right guys? Now as you can see, 2 and 24 can simplify, right? 2 will change to 1, 24 will change to 12. Now 12 meter times 7 meter is going to give us 84 meter square, right guys? Now we can go to the second step. So volume is equal to the area of the triangle multiplied by its length. Alright guys, now the area of this triangle in this case is 84 meter square, multiplied by the length of this prism is 22 meter, and if we use the help of a calculator, we should have 1848 meter cube. Alright guys, so that is how we would find the area of a triangular prism. And keep in mind that the unit will be always unit cube. Alright, now let's go ahead and solve one more question. Now in question number 2 guys, we are going to do the same. So find the area of the triangle multiplied by the length of the prism. So let's go ahead and find the area of triangle. Area of triangle. So how do we find the area of the triangle? Again, the base multiplied by height divided by 2. Alright guys, in this case we have the base as 6 feet, multiply with its height which is 4 feet, and divided by 2. Alright guys, and again here also 2 can be simplified either with 6 or 4. Whichever you do, the answer will be the same. So let me go ahead and simplify 2 with 4. So 2 will change to 1, 4 will change to 2, and 6 feet times 2 feet is going to give us 12 feet square, right guys? Now let's go for the volume. The volume is equal to the area of the triangle multiplied by the length, right guys? So we have 12 feet square multiplied with 9 feet, which is the length, which is equal to 108 feet cube, or as you can say it, cubic feet. Alright guys, cubic feet. It's as easy as cutting a piece of pie. Alright guys, now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on the like button guys, and comment below if you have any question or if you want me to do any specific video. And also guys, do not forget to subscribe, as that will help me a lot. Now, until next time guys, have a nice day.